That is good looking, or whatever. Yes, we like that. Hi amiga, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jennyfer Ross, and I am back at it again with another video. Today's video is basically going to be a day in my life. I really have to clean my room. That's really my goal of the day. But of course, me being me, I'm gonna procrastinate and first get some errands done. So I'm quickly getting ready to go do those. They need to be done in the city, so that's where I'm heading. And then when I come back home, I want to like dedicate some time to tidy up and clean my room. So yeah, that's basically today, and I thought I would vlog today because why not? So yeah, I'm now in the process of doing my makeup and my battery is flashing, so I think I'm gonna finish doing my makeup and then I will get back to you when I'm done and we're ready to leave for the city. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let's go ahead and get into today. Alright amiga, I finished getting ready. I'm completely dressed and everything. Decided to change the headband for this one. I'm wearing this orange maxi dress from H&M last year. These Zara slides with it. And I am ready to head out, so let's go. Okay amiga, I'm gonna have a little bite at Big Chef's. It's a Turkish Mediterranean brasserie with like lots of things to choose from. But I went for the chicken schnitzel with fries, and I'm curious to see how it's gonna taste. I miscalculated the time to eat, and I really feel like I really have to eat now. So therefore this is my first stop, lunch first.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why you going nowhere special? Just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Licking the plate, being the plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Just take a look at yourself. Do you really think it's gonna help if you always fighting yourself, trying to forget how you felt? Just take a look at yourself.
Hey amiga, it is now a few days later. The other day I just ended up not picking back up on the vlog. When I got home I was so drained, so tired. It was extremely hot, so I decided to just pick up on it a few days later. Also ended up getting my nails done. I have now like white little tips and I love them. They're really pretty, but I still need to clean my room. Maybe you can see it a little bit in the background right now. I am in the process of washing clothes today, but today is a very good day that I can dedicate to cleaning up and tidying up my room. I still have a little haul for you of everything that I bought the other day when I went to the city and did the errands and stuff. So I will share that with you later. We're gonna first start with tidying up, cleaning my vanity, my mirrors, all of that. So yeah, clean with me. I also need to cook dinner in maybe an hour or two. But today is just a little relaxed day at home, and I'm looking forward to having my room clean and tidied up, fresh bedding, all of that. I'm really excited for that. And then maybe tonight, when I'm done with all this, I can take a shower, put on fresh pajamas that I've bought new, and relax, you know? I'm really excited for that. So yeah, let's get to cleaning.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ain't that I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in accord. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss bitches to the floor. It's my time. Hey. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math.
Alright, amiga, we have made quite some progress, you know. The headboard is done and also the two side tables is done. I know it doesn't look like a lot, but to me it is, because I've done like a few things off camera. It was just too big of a mess to do all of it on camera. I know it's very satisfying, but I also want to be done with this, if you get what I'm saying. You know, I have other things to do as well, like cooking dinner in a little bit. So now it's time to change the bedding, and that's what I'm gonna do now. I was thinking about it when I was doing the other stuff. I really think it's time to change and buy like new bedding and buy like new throw pillow things, because I had these for a while, definitely since 2020. So I haven't really changed my throw pillow game in about 3 years, and I'm growing a little bored of all the stuff that I have. So I might do like a little shopping online for new throw pillowcases, see what I already got on the house and just switch it out. Maybe not for this video, but I am going to be doing that soon. Benny and I also are planning on buying a new mattress, so I think it's just time to switch up everything, buy like new bedding completely, and new, you know, freshen up the look of this room, you know. So that's for another time, but I'm gonna change the bedding so that at least it's clean now, and make the bed with the things that I already got. But know that that's coming, you know. I'm also thinking of throwing the window. Yeah, let's throw the window in the washer. I mean, throwing the curtains in the washer, give them a little fresher look, because I feel like they look a little dusty. So we might do that as well later. I have things going in the washer right now. So yeah, a very productive little day. I'm almost done. This room is not that big either, so I don't know why I let it turn this dramatic every time, but it's not that bad, you know. You can get it done if you like. What is that even? Like if you speed it up, you know, you can. If you're focused and stuff, you can get it done quick. But I don't know what was wrong with me today. I have been procrastinating so much, calling with my mom, calling with my sister. And now I'm gonna stop talking because this takes up time too. Let's change the bedding.
Just text, I know it's a toss up, but
I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. This text, I know it's a toss-up.
I wonder, is it worth living now? They told me dreams come true once you live it out. I picked up pieces from my childhood in a broken house and heal my soul from the trauma we've been given now. I hear the whispers in the wind under smoky clouds and tell myself once again, I'ma work it out. So much shit can happen, yo, it got me tripping now. Yeah, it's feeling different now.
Feel like I'm zoned out, put my phone down, damn it's cold out. Plotting on a rollout, we took our own route, really on our own now. These them winter schemes, plotting for better dreams, cooking flows and melodies for OGs with felonies who've been locked since the 70s. Gotta finish what you started. Life of being an artist, gotta show them where your heart is. Put your all in, keep calling, keep going, don't stall it.
So I have the first one done. I cleaned all the bottles and placed them back in the little organizer. I also cleaned the organizer, so it's now all fresh and clean. Alright, amiga, I finished tidying up my room for the most part. Did the bed, did the headboard and the side tables and also my vanity. I am gonna show you right now. So this is the bed, completely made, but like I told you, I think it's time to replace these because it's really giving 2016. I'm not really sure if I'm still into it. These I still like, so I might keep these. I have these in a more neutral color in the living room, so maybe I might do like a little switcheroo, place these in the living room and the other ones in my room. But these I definitely want to replace because I just grew tired of them. Then other than that, I have my sunset lamp, my pretty plant. I've cleansed both my mirrors, and I also cleansed all the bottles of my perfumes and just reorganized my vanity a little bit. It still looks very chaotic, but it makes sense to me, and that's the person it needs to make sense for. Everything looks great again, and yeah, I have quite a lot, and I think it's time for me to stop buying perfumes now. You know, it really is time because I have so many. And yeah, I do think that it's enough now, you know, I really have enough. So yeah, this is my little collection. And yeah, other than that, I still need to organize all my jewelry and stuff, but that's just for another day because I am exhausted. But I'm happy with what I managed to do today. So yeah, that's that. I'm now gonna head to the kitchen and make dinner.
Where you been and where you hiding? I
Amiga, it's now much later. I have my dinner, I took a shower, washed my hair, blow dried my hair, everything. I'm wearing a pajama and I'm just ready. I feel great. I feel great because I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted. So I'm about to undo all the nice fancy bedding and crawl into bed with a movie or something. But I thought I would give you the haul that I promised. So let's do it, okay? It's still light outside and it's now, what time is it? I think it's around 9 now. It's almost 9 p.m. So yeah, let's start with Primark. At Primark I got this PJ set. It's just like a two-piece light blue, nothing really special, but just like a light blue cute little PJ. Okay, then I got this one as well. It's just a cute little PJ for the summertime with spaghetti straps and like shorts. Really cute to lounge around in, you know, why not? I thought. And it was so cheap. It was only 7 euros or something. No, 9 euros. So I thought like that would be a cute little set. Then I also got this wallet because my current wallet broke, the zipper broke, and now I can't close it. So I got this one and it has the letter J on it. So I thought that was perfect. That one was for me. And then I got a dress at H&M. Let me share that with you as well. Like this dress from this wrinkly material. Like, look. I love the color, the green. I like all types of green now for outfits. So I thought this one was really pretty. And this one was only $29.99. Really like it. So I'll be wearing this to my mom's birthday. That will be next week. So great new dress. Then I also want to share with you 2 new perfumes that I got. I didn't buy them in the city. I got them online, and one of them I got in the Netherlands a few weeks ago. But these are new to my collection. They are both from Creed. This is Creed Royal Princess Oud. I really love it. I love every perfume with oud in it, or most perfumes with oud in it. It's like a really warm and special scent and just different. It's not like it's girly, but at the same time it smells very rich. And if you are familiar with oud, I really recommend checking this out if you love oud as well. Really nice scent. And then this one is really one for summer. It is Creed Love in White, and I am absolutely obsessed with this one as well. I actually went to get a Ventus for her. However, when I went to the store and I smelled it, I was like, it's nice, but it smells like something I already got. So I didn't think it was worth the price point and all that. So Love in White it became. And this one smells really fresh, feminine. It smells like almonds a little bit, but rich almonds. I don't know how to explain it. But check it out if you like feminine and special, like rich scents. Rich in the sense that you actually smell like a rich person with this one on, you know? So yeah, those are my 2 new perfumes. And then I got a whole bunch of stuff at my pharmacy. So let me share them with you. So I am absolutely obsessed with Caudalie products. Ever since working with them on Instagram, there are so many products that I've rebought so many times myself. And these are a whole lot of products that I tried out before, and now I just went and bought it with my own money because I just love them. I got like 2 new serums. This is the Vinosource Hydra. This is just a very hydrating serum. I'm planning to use this one at night, but it's a very pretty and aesthetically pleasing little bottle. This is what it looks like. Pink and nice. This one I haven't tried before, but since I heard like what it does, that it's very hydrating and all that, thought I would try it. And then the next one is the Vino Pure Serum. This is my 3rd bottle, I think. Yeah, this is genuinely my 3rd bottle. So good, and so good for impurities and stuff. It really helps with acne. I've been loving it, and I get sad when I run out, you know? 2nd time buying it myself. Then I got the Aven Cicaplast or something. This is similar to the Cicaplast from La Roche-Posay. But this is the tube. It's not a big one, but I just got it to try. But I heard a lot of good things about it, and I love the Cicaplast from La Roche-Posay, so I decided to try this one as well. Then I got a new lip oil from Nuxe. I am actually really obsessed with the one from Gizu, but I didn't get around to ordering it, and when I saw this one at my pharmacy, I was like, yes. And it actually is kind of similar to that. I'm obsessed. It tastes like honey. It makes your lips feel super soft. My colleague had this one and recommended it, and it's really similar to the Gizu one, so I love it. I got a bottle of this oil, this body oil from Caudalie as well. This is their Soleil des Vines oil elixir, and this is especially for summer. It's based on grapeseed oil, but it smells, this one smelled so good. Like, oh my god, it smells so nice. It just literally smells sunny. I don't know, I'm just obsessed. I have so many body oils. I could do a section in another video where I talk just about the body oils, because I've been obsessed and I have so many, but this one definitely got my heart because it smells so good. And I think I might even go back for a bigger bottle, but I decided to go with a smaller one just because I already have so many. Then I also got my favorite body lotion again. So happy about this one. It's still closed. Anyways, I worked with Caudalie during winter for this one, but this one is just amazing if you have drier skin, if you have eczema, things like that. This is your best friend. And I love this just for my legs during summer. I love for my legs to be glowy and moisturized when I wear my skirts and stuff, so I decided to get a new one. I got a few testers to try at home. This one I got for free, but it looks like a full size of the Vichy Ideal Soleil. This is a after sun, so excited to try this one as well. But I just love products from the pharmacy so much, so I don't want to buy more stuff, if you get what I'm saying. And then I got like a few other serum packets. Just, this is easy when you're traveling, you know. And this one I'm also using at the moment. I got it for a collaboration with them on Instagram, but I am obsessed with this one. So this one will also be one that I will be rebuying, and it helps a lot like with hyperpigmentation. It helps lighten it much more, and as you can see now my skin looks really good, and that's just because this one right now, it really helps with dark spots and all that. And even the eye cream I have from that one, really nice. And then I got another like little sample to try. This is the Vinyl Perfect night cream, so excited to try that as well. It's like a little sample. Last one is this perfume by Caudalie. This is the Les Vines. This is such a fresh smelling perfume and so nice for bedtime, you know. I really like spraying some perfume when I shower at night. It just makes me feel like taken care of, makes me feel lovely, and I love it. So this is really one that I like to use at night, and I would recommend, you know. It's not too heavy and not too, you know, not too much or anything, and I just love it. And it's dermatologically tested, everything by Caudalie is, so I really like that. And yeah, that is it for my little haul of all the new things that I recently added to my collection and all that. And yeah, I'm now going to relax, crawl into my bed, and maybe watch a movie or something. I'm just excited to chill now. It's been enough for today. But yeah.